Andrew Peatland, Kimberley Mineral Sands. I'm the Superintendent of Technology and managing all of our technology projects. Kimberley Mineral Sands officially formed in early 2021. It's a 50-50 joint venture between Yan Steel and Sheffield Resources. We have what's considered one of the largest and highest classed assets in the mineral sands arena, located within the last 30 years. This is the Thunderbird project based up in the north of WA in the Dampier Peninsula. This is an asset that is expected to last over 30 years in production. What this is basically the production of zircon and ilmenite, which is used for the production of manufacturing of titanium oxide and in the smelting process. We started our ERP journey in 2021. We moved from MYOB to SAP Business by Design. We did that with DyFlex. That was a successful implementation, and that was basically to bring in finance and accounting and basic procurement and project management as we started to build our assets under construction. What we needed was things like maintenance, sales, logistics, broader inventory and procurement processes as well. And some form of contract management system. So we went through a due diligence process. We looked at both what we could do by retaining our SAP Business by Design with an extension of a third-party application for maintenance. We looked at SAP Business by Design with a third-party bolt-in product as an option. And then looked at what other ERP, full-blown ERP integrated solutions there might be. S/4HANA Public Cloud became one of the key options and really was a very logical option for us. When we looked at SAP S/4HANA, the consideration was that this was probably going to be too expensive or too onerous a requirement, something that was going to be difficult for us to accomplish during this final construction phase. However, once we looked at the product, in all honesty, we were a bit blown away with regards to what it could actually do out of the box, and that changed our minds. DyFlex obviously helped us through that process, and we made that decision to move ahead with public cloud at the beginning of 2023. DyFlex obviously came as a very well credentialised company within the mining, the SAP, of the Western Australian or Australian arena. Your reference checked well, and basically it was an easy choice for us. In fact, we never really saw an alternate option to going with anybody else other than using DyFlex for the public cloud implementation. This is a game changer as far as I'm concerned, and DyFlex are well versed in actually introducing that type of cookie cutter standardized approach that really delivers something at what is effectively a very reasonable price. My perspective is positive experience, experienced consultants, and the team that were able to advise us during the sales process were well versed in understanding the product, well versed in our industry. It's been a relatively easy journey.